for Pin Media.
Dear head teacher and your staff, the administrators, the board of governors, we want to thank you so much for preparing for us this day and finding it fitting to have this blessing mass. Father told me our candidates already went to Bawereddwa, and they received, they were immersed in the ocean of blessings. Now we are here to fulfill what they had. Thank you so much, the administrators. Abazadde, mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala okubeerawo ku bw'abaana bano, si walero bwokka naye okutambula nabo omugendo gwonna. Nkakasa mu mitima gyabwe bamulimu abagamba singa mbadde nnina kye nsobola okuwa maama oba taata olw'okutambula naawe okutuuka olwaleero naali kimuwadde. Oyinza okulowooza nti tokirina, okirina. Ky'olina okuddiza omuzadde oyo atambudde naawe n'atakwekkaanya, oluusi n'otuuka n'obuzibu bw'okuveeka ng'olaba tolina ky'olina okusinziira ku balala bye baba nabyo. Is good performance. Ekyo bw'okikola omuzadde ojja kuba omusasudde. Abazadde baffe abalungi muyinza okugamba ekyammwe mukikoze, naye sigala ng'okyalina omwana wo mu kwegayirira. Omukisa omuzadde gw'asabira omwana we gukwata. Waffe eyo eri abazadde abamu ekifo ky'okusabira abaana omukisa babawonga mu mikisa gy'abajjajjaabwe. Kyalibadde si kibi, naye gwe weefaanaanyiriza omwana yeetegekera ebibuuzo n'olyoka omukwata mu mutwe n'omukubakuba n'omuwandamu eddusu n'olyoka omugamba jjajjawo n'akamata akulekerere. Jjajja n'akamata ayinza okuba yali mulungi naye ennyuka likiramu teyagirabako, eyinza obutamuyamba. Omwana wo sigala ng'omuteekako omukisa ogw'obuzadde ogw'amaama ne bwe tubeera tali waka ne bw'abeera ali mu kisulo. Eky'omukisa obulungi bagenda kutandika ebigezo byabwe nga tuli mu mwezi gwa nnyaffe Biikira Mariya. Tubanyike mu kiremba ky'amaama Biikira Mariya atambule nabo. Abazadde tubeebaza obutakoowa. Ekyokusatu, dear candidates, you've had, are they 4 years or more than 4? Are they 4 years or more than 4? Answer to the people. More than 4. We thank God for you. Now time has come to show us the reason as why you've been in school. It is very good to trust your head, but it will be comforting if you did everything with God that are going to help you. One, trust in God. Don't trust in anything. There might be a lot that maybe a friend has told you, or a parent, or you went to visit your judge during the holidays and maybe gave you something that when the paper comes, just use it on your teeth. Or good day to love. Do not use anything. You only have to trust your head, and two, trust that God is in control. It is time now for you to call upon God to come and hold your hand. Because if he holds it, he can never let go. He says, I am here with you. Last, you are going to sit for these exams. And I know, you know, that you are not sitting them alone. Your class teacher, the subject teachers are sitting these exams with you. The head teacher himself is sitting the exams with you. Because when the results will come back, now, if you perform very well, we shall be grateful and we shall have some joy. But I am assuring you that joy will not be lasting joy. Because we shall have to turn our focus those in senior 3 and those in senior 5. I hope you know that. But I am assuring you that the joy that will be on your cheeks after looking at your transcript will follow you wherever you go. Sagala kwogera ku nnaku wali abantu abaotula ku transcript ennaku nebambalirawo naye essanyu lye mugenda okufuna bwe ligenda kubeera nammwe lubeerera, because wherever you go you will have to present those papers and you might not be having the chance to explain as why you didn't perform well. Abantu abamu batereka ebyokuwoza saba omulimu kumpe nalitabyakoze mulungi mu biology nekuoba nali mulwadde akati ezo excuses tezikola eri mu nsi gye tuli. We want to see how you perform, so make sure don't do these exams for your mother, don't do these exams for your teacher to please him. Do these exams for you because they are yours. The results are going to follow you. And lastly, did I say lastly the other time? Now lastly, do not remind us not to forget you. We've been in schools where during this time students and the people start writing on the walls, never forget Namwanje. Never forget, who is here, who wants not to be forgotten? Sharon, never forget Sharon, never forget. So some people write in classes, some people write in toilets, some people write in the government present. Now just imagine writing your name in the toilet. You yourself, never forget me in the toilet. Now, I am assuring you we shall forget you. The only thing you have to do that we don't forget you is good performance. Just be the best, we shall not forget you. If you not, I am assuring you, I will forget you. I will forget you. Just make sure that you become the best, using the best knowledge that you've received from the best teachers, and no one will ever forget this pioneer class. We want to pray for you. We will see what this is not a joke. We are Kalemba. We are the mighty school. We have done everything humanly possible.
want to thank you for having sponsored our pilgrimage to Wamede. Thank you, Nazigo. Ate, mumayire kwogera. Omulabe tatusobola.
Okay, now we march to school. Fancy.